once again. We love building robots, as we are sure you do too, and we are here to perform for you some of our favorite works of cinema, just because, quite frankly, we are a little busy building robots and spreading the word of science and technology to further ourselves with watching cinema. So, for your viewing pleasure, we would like to now produce Wall-E. Later, back on the spaceship.
Kill the plane!
Save the planet!
Kill the plane!
Save the planet!
Yeah, you're going to Earth!
So that was our interpretation of Wall-E as fast and condensed as possible. However, Wall-E was last summer's blockbuster. Now we're going to do a movie that's a little bit more of a classic, however it does have some special effects too. So next we'd like to present The Matrix.
You, come out with your hands up. We have you surrounded. Come on! Go! Oh, Morpheus? What? Agents are after me? Oh, no! I know Kung Fu. Show me. Bang, bang!
Alright, we'd like to now stick with the action motif and add a little bit of spice to the roboticness of the performance so far, and we'd now like to present to you two of our favorite movies in the same package, because we are just that good. Here we now have Transformers 1 and a little bit of Transformers 2. Vroom, vroom! And now for Transformers 2, starring Optimus Prime! Woo! Oh no, Optimus Prime has died! Boom, he's back to life!
So with that little skit, you got to see two movies in one. This is also a lot cheaper than a movie theater, in case you guys missed any of these. For our last film that we're doing, we're going back to classics. In fact, we actually came out with the fourth one in the series recently. However, we're doing the first one. So next I'd like to present Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark.
Dun 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 boom! Crash! Bang! Dun 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 dun.
I'd like to just thank everyone for watching us tonight and to remind you that we're exploding bacon, oink oink.
Woo!